Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now if you're new to the channel, as usual, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech related videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Obviously, click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now, on this video, we're going to be looking at the brand new released Apple Airtag. Now obviously we're in South Africa, so you're a couple of weeks late, but nevertheless, better late than never. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing, probably going to be setting it up, and I'm going to show you guys how the Airtags work and how I'm going to be using. Now this guy here is a tracker, if you didn't know. It's a tracker that you're going to be mainly using to track a smaller object like maybe your wallet, and to the bigger ones like your luggage. Now I am familiar to trackers. I was using the tile tracker in or on my wallet because I tend to misplace this little card holder a lot, but this tile seems to be already out of juice. And I know this is an Airtag video, but one of the main features of this thing that I really loved is that I can also track my phone using the tile itself, but because it's flat, we gonna put it on the side. We don't need it anymore. So let's unbox this guy. So on the box you have a few information. It says that requires iOS or iPad OS. It says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and you need iCloud. It has a replaceable battery. There's other small flat battery that you also find in car remote. I actually just replaced my Polo's remote control, and it uses the same type of battery, although those ones are much thinner. And that's basically what you get on the box. So we have a pull tab right here, which is really good, and it can come in handy, so we don't have to use an unboxing knife, as I always say. So as soon as we open that, we're going to be able to go inside the box. There we go. Now this guy here comes, or they sell in two configurations. They sell this one that comes in a single, and they also sell the ones that come in fours. Those ones are going for 1,899. This one goes for 499 here in South Africa. So there's the tile itself. I mean, there's the Airtag itself. I think I'm going to be confusing the names a lot on this video. Okay, so it's actually quite tiny, but on the thick side. That's probably maybe the size of 2 5-rand coins. So you have some instructions right there in a couple of languages. One, you needed to update your iOS and iPad, and then you have to hold the device near the screen for instruction. It works just like the AirPods work. As you put it near the device, it should actually recognize it. So there we go. That's basically it for the unboxing of this guy. We actually also have some information inside. Okay, you have the literature, more literature, and literature. You don't get Apple stickers in this thing. So let's stack that on the floor for now. And this is what we are actually here for. So continue with the unboxing. Let's peel this thing off. Wow, this is actually really shiny, and it's going to actually pick up a lot of prints. Already has a print, and it's going to scratch easy. So here it's written designed by Apple in California, as well assembled in China, Bluetooth LE, and ultra wideband. Ultra wideband comes on the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 also have it. It's what is going to allow you to actually have that precision tracking, but it's going to allow you to locate your devices or wherever you put the tag itself really closely. So as soon as I remove this plastic piece here, it should actually a sound should actually ring. There we go. So this is a portion of the video where we set up the device to our Apple ecosystem. So I just need to actually place it next to the iPhone. It should actually pop up something here on the iPhone itself. And there we go. Thank you guys for 7,680 subscriber. Road to 10K. It's actually closer than what I thought it would be by now. But anyways, so you have the Airtag there. subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I almost forgot that. All you need to do is press connect. Okay, so it's going through now where we're going to put it: handbag, headphone, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet. So we're probably going to find a way to stick this guy into my card holder. Okay, continue, and that's my information right there. It has my email address, my phone number. Okay, so I can play sound to find my Airtag. I can also use direction in maps. So let's see, press done. And that's basically it for us to set up. But now let's actually see how this guy works by maybe hiding it somewhere around the house, and I'm going to try to find it. Me ajuda? Tô a fazer vídeo, né? Tens que pegar isso aqui e esconder num dos 3 quartos. So I basically had to hide my face, now making noise so I can't hear her steps. So I don't know exactly where she took it. Now she's actually walking all over the house. I think she's doing that just she's gone now. She actually hit the phone. Hit the Airtag already. I know it was a bit off. So my job now is to use the phone and find it. Right, so obviously because we added it on the Find My app, that actually I need to hide my address. So these are the options that it gives you. I think if you tap there, it shows you the firmware and the serial number of the Airtag. I can just press find, or I can also play sound. So if I press find, this is the interface that you get. Connected signal is weak, try moving around. So gonna try moving maybe the studio. Maybe she put it here. Okay, I don't think it's in the studio because I get nothing here. So this is the kitchen. I know it's not here either. Okay, so maybe it's here. No, I don't think it's here either. It's most definitely in this one. Maybe I should have started with this room. Yeah, it's here. Wow. So this is what it actually does when it kind of finds it. It starts vibrating. It's like a pulse. And I think the closer I get to the tag, the faster it starts vibrating. And you guys can see there's an arrow, so it's easy for me to actually go. Now it's actually vibrating much faster. Let me put this down so I can look for it properly. There you go. I got it. So that's basically how this guy works. You're gonna be able to find your items pretty easy. One thing that I actually realized is if you place the Airtag upside down or with the white part down, the sound tends to come out a little bit lower than originally intended to. But also the sound itself in general, it actually much lower compared to the tile. Now, places that I think you're gonna be able to attach this guy, it could easily vary from your backpack. And one tip that I would give if you end up buying one is that if you plan to put this guy on a backpack, make sure you don't put it outside. Just hide it somewhere inside your backpack. To be honest, we live in South Africa. I don't think this guy is going to stop you from get your backpack stolen or something. Other place that you can put it is if you have those traditional big wallets. In my card holder, it's going to be a little bit tricky to put it there unless I buy the proper accessory. And talking about accessory, Apple actually also sell accessories for this guy for you to be able to hang it on your bag or on your travel suitcase. But those accessories are a little bit on the expensive side. I did manage to find a couple accessories much cheaper on Amazon. I might actually make a video just on those accessories, and that's also where I saw something that you can use to stick it behind surfaces like card holder that I have. But because of the size of the Apple AirTags themselves, I think it's still going to be a little bit of a sore thumb if it has to be attached on that wallet itself. So overall, I really like the Airtag and how it uses the ultra wide band for you to find your item, especially when you are close to the item. It shows you the arrow, as you guys saw, and I was actually searching for this guy, and it's actually much easier for you to find your items if you have that interface. So is it worth buying an Airtag? I mean, I would definitely say yes, especially again if you're in the Apple ecosystem. This is actually one more item to trap you in that same ecosystem, which is not entirely a bad thing. As much as this thing is worth, this is actually really not a need. If you're somebody who doesn't really lose their items that much, I don't really think you're going to have use for this thing. But for the price, maybe just grab one, try it out, and see if you like it or not. Alright, so this will be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments, as usual, what do you guys think of the Airtag. Also, if you are not aware, Google I/O, it's going to be this Tuesday. This video is probably going up Monday morning. So on Tuesday, probably on the afternoon, but I'm going to have the live stream up. Probably on the afternoon, I'm gonna go live for the Google I/O. So just come and hang with me. Normally we have a good time on those lives, and we'll see what Google unveils on that event. Otherwise, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.